Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to get boarding pass online on EasyJet. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open any browser that you want. As an example here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever browser you would like. So once you do so, go to the URL section and make sure to go to easyjet.com. Once you do that, you should find yourself right here. So first of all, if you have an account and you bought your plane tickets using that account, all you need to do is just go and click on sign in at the top right corner. Click on sign in using your email address, password, sign in, and you should be good to go. If not, if you just want to get your boarding pass and you didn't create your account or use a third party tool to buy the account and you just want to check in online, you can, as example, either come to sign in and click on find booking. And if you didn't somehow find it, you can find the check-in option at the top right. So once you click on check-in, again, you'll find yourself on find booking. So if you don't have an account and you have an EasyJet, of course, full day booking or book through a third party, you can still view your booking at extras and check in online by entering your surname and booking reference. So simply enter these two informations, surname and booking reference, and check this box, which means that you have permission to manage this booking on behalf of the passenger that's going to take the plane, or that you are the only passenger. So then click on find booking. You will have to fill up some details, as example, and you may be prompted to choose a seat, or as example, if you didn't pay for it, it will be auto signed. You can change it also at the check-in if you want to, even if you choose it before once you get your ticket. And once you fill in all these details and click on check-in option, you will find your boarding pass and you'll be able to save it, download it, screenshot it. At least you'll have to save it. Keep in mind that some airport doesn't allow or doesn't accept digital boarding pass, so make sure to get a paper printed with you if your airport doesn't accept it. And you can check that, of course, depending on the airports. But most airports accept digital boarding pass. That's just in case. Of course, an important note that boarding pass available only after the check-in. After you check in, if you didn't check in, you will not be able to get it. And the check-in closes 2 hours before flight. So make sure to do not be late and always keep an offline copy with no internet needed in your devices so you can show it at the airport. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.